Welcome back from spring break. We will be looking at chapter 18 this week, so we're going to go out of order. And if you note the syllabus, you'll see that we go from chapter 10 to chapter 18. We're going to be talking about teams. I would like to call your attention to the importance of teams and how they play a significant role in the organization in developing new ideas and creating diverse groups that are creative and innovative and get great things done. There are a lot of items that go in, or the team dynamics are significant, I guess I should say, in that the size of the team, the construction and how the team comes together and is cohesive, as well as the diversity that goes into a team are very, very important. It is very important also for you to look at Tuckman. It is an older theory, but it is how teams form, storm, norm, adjourn. And so those Tuckman stages of team development will be very important. And as you go through that, I would encourage you to think back on the team that you've been on or that you've engaged with on an athletic or any type of organization at work, or organization on campus, or even at work, or possibly a team project you've worked on in a class. So be thinking about how your team formed, how cohesive they were, the size of the team. Be thinking about that as you reference something that is significant to you to apply all of this theory about teams to. Negotiation and conflict is pretty much inevitable. We do want cognitive conflict that results in advancements of ideas. We do not want effective conflict. That means we have problems with each other based on how we treat each other. And so we want to be mindful of the importance of cognitive conflict and how we like to have that present so that we can advance ideas, but effective is something that we want to minimize. I have chapter 18 homework due on Monday night. I ask that you please be mindful of the deadlines. The deadlines means that it is the last possible minute that something is due. It doesn't mean that you do it on the deadline day. So if we do have another break that comes up, that does not mean the deadline gets changed. That means that you're just going to have to work a little harder that week to get the work done before you go on break, or you're going to have to do homework on break. So be mindful of that. If you did not get into chapter 10, you need to do that immediately, and you should be in there by Friday. I understand there was some confusion on that, and that deadline holding, even though spring break happened. So I will give you until Friday to get that chapter 10 fixed if you didn't get enough attempts in. And I do owe you response or feedback on your case analysis, and I will be doing that very soon, and then giving a general feedback to the entire class on how the class did as a whole. If you have questions, let me know. If you need to meet with me, let me know. I would like to see you all be very successful in this class, and that is my priority. So if you need to speak with me, I'll look forward to seeing you in person, online, or via email. Thanks.